India and Malaysia ties are at a new high as both nations elevate their relations to a comprehensive strategic partnership. This visit marks a significant milestone in enhancing the strategic partnership between India and Malaysia, focusing on boosting trade, investment, and regional cooperation.
सेमीकंडक्टर, फिनटेक, रक्षा उद्योग, एआई और क्वांटम में हमें आपसी सहयोग बढ़ाना चाहिए। हमने भारत और मलेशिया के बीच कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट के रिव्यू में गति लाने पर बल दिया है। डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी में सहयोग के लिए डिजिटल काउंसिल की स्थापना करने का और स्टार्टअप अलायंस बनाने का निर्णय लिया है। भारत के यूपीआई और मलेशिया के पे नेट को जोड़ने के लिए भी काम किया जाएगा।
Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar held bilateral talks with Indian counterpart Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
भारत आसियान सेंट्रलिटी को प्राथमिकता देता है। हम सहमत हैं कि भारत और आसियान के बीच एफटीए की समीक्षा को समयबद्ध तरीके से पूरा करना चाहिए। 2025 में मलेशिया की सफल आसियान अध्यक्षता के लिए भारत पूरा समर्थन देगा।
The discussions span a broad range of global and regional topics.
We have agreed to enhance further and make it a comprehensive strategic partnership. Yes, Malaysia and India from the days of Jawaharlal Nehru and Tunku Abdul Rahman has established good relations. But we realize under our generation that this must be further strengthened in a multitude of areas.
Several key MOUs were signed during this visit, further solidifying the relationship. These include an MOU on the recruitment, employment and repatriation of workers, a memorandum on cooperation in the field of Ayurveda and traditional medicine, an agreement on digital technologies collaboration, a program of cooperation in culture, arts and heritage, an MOU on tourism cooperation, a partnership between the youth and sports ministries of both countries, an agreement on public administration and governance reforms, a cooperation pact between the International Financial Services Authority of India and Malaysia's Labuan Financial Services Authority. Additionally, the 9th India-Malaysia CEO Forum convened on August 19, showcasing vibrant business ties and identifying new opportunities for collaboration. The visit underscores the historical, cultural and economic linkages between India and Malaysia and is expected to lay the foundation for deeper multi-sectoral cooperation, further strengthening the strategic partnership and paving the way for a prosperous future for both countries. Tapas Bhattacharya's report, DD India.